Morning, y'all. So kind of in between videos, but I wanted to do just kind of like a little maintenance video and a couple things that have gone wrong on our 22 Keystone Fusion 427. Just small things here and there that if you don't fix them, they will turn into big problems. Mostly like we had one of our fender supports break on us going down the road. Just wiggled its way in half. So this support held this outside skirt, just helped keep it from flopping. Well, with it moving, everything going down the road, it ended up just eventually just breaking in half up here. This is super thin aluminum that they put on here. This one right here, you can tell screws come out of it. And then this one right here, I've already fixed it once. It had a screw come out at the top. But we're going to replace this one with a much heavier duty piece of aluminum. This one I've already got pre-drilled. I've also got this just in case. It's about the same thickness as this, maybe a little bit thicker. But I picked this up at Lowe's. I think it was $8. I'll put the price tag up here. But I'm also going to replace the top part that broke with a little bit stronger. This is, what is this, 1/8 inch? Yeah, this is 1/8 inch by 1 inch aluminum angle iron. It's not very heavy, so not adding a whole lot of weight to this fender. I'm going to get this fender support on here, and I'll show you kind of how I did it once I get it up on here, and hopefully don't have no issues. If you don't have one of these tools yet and you have an RV, definitely get one. It's just a Craftsman 6-in-1 screwdriver. It's got ratcheting on it. Definite must. It even comes with the square bit you need for 90% of all of the screws that are on your RV. Okay, so I've got the support done, and here's the finished project. So, like I said, I used this angle iron way stiffer than it was before. Plus, I added a few extra screws up here. And this one, these are actual stainless steel bolts that I've run through to help hold it. And hopefully we shouldn't have any problems with it coming loose again. The piece that I did take off of here that was broke up at the top, I ended up using the long support. I ended up just tucking it and doubled this piece up, so hopefully that'll hold for a while, and added a couple extra screws. But the problem, I'm afraid, is going to be this, so I may go ahead and make me an aluminum bracket like that L up at the top, and then just swap this piece out, and then this should be able to hold. So I'm going to work on that, and then we'll see where we go from there. Yes, I know there's no guard on it. Hopefully I keep all 5 fingers. All right, so got all of the fender re-supported. Of course, you can see that one. But like I said, I took the extra, doubled this up, and then cut off that piece, made it a whole lot stronger. So now, hopefully no more flopping going down the road. This one right here is still good for now, but I can already tell I'm gonna have to be repairing that one as well. So RV life. Now on to the next project, inside. All right, so now we are inside the camper to do a couple little projects that just need to be done in here. First thing, if you have a Keystone Fusion 427, there are no locks on the bathroom at all, anywhere, or on the bedroom. Well, as y'all know, we have two littles. And sometimes mommy and daddy need some privacy, so you need door locks. For the bathroom, just your typical standard sliding door lock. And then for the bedroom, we're going to replace just the standard handle like that with one that just looks a little bit darker, but it has a lock on it. Also, if you have a Keystone Fusion, I don't know, but this little plastic piece down here is the biggest piece of junk ever, because it's broken, it doesn't hold the door. When you shut the door all the way, then it's a fight to try and get it open. I ordered a metal piece off of Amazon to replace that little flimsy piece of junk. So, and it is fully adjustable, so it comes with all the screws, all the hardware, to where you can adjust it to fit just about any door. So I'll put links to everything that I'm using in here to fix and replace these door handles and latches and stuff like that. Also, our trim in our bedroom door has a tendency down here to just come loose. It's not even, all of the nails that they used from Keystone went all the way through, and so they're not even holding. So I've got, it's hot in here. I may have to turn the generator on in the ACs. But, so I've got my pneumatic stapler, and we're going to put a few staples in it, fix that issue, and hopefully that should be the majority of them. If the metal piece works on the bathroom door, I am going to use it to also replace this one, because this one again is just that flimsy plastic. But this one's not in as bad a shape as the one in our bedroom. Okay, so we are done in the bedroom and the bathroom. Here is the new door handle. With this handle, it is a perfect matchup. I didn't even have to change the striker out, but now we have a locking bedroom door. Now this is not great 100% quality. This is cheap Amazon special, but it's better than what was on it, and it gets the job done. Also, I had to adjust our bathroom door because there was a huge gap that it would, like, at an angle. So I had to adjust that. So if you do have to ever adjust the gap on your bathroom door, pull this piece off right here. There's two hangers right here and here, and you just take a wrench and you can adjust it. I don't remember what size. I'll put it right here. But you can just turn them and adjust them to however to get it to set flush. But I think the reason they had it unflush is because it's off. This whole wall is off. So they had it adjusted to where it was like that. But I'd rather have it flush when I shut it. This piece I added, the metal piece, holds the door much better support. And I could even squeeze it tighter if I wanted to, but it's plenty tight. So keeps it where it needs to be. Also, in the bathroom, now I can actually lock the bathroom in our camper with our children. So, super easy. Just like works for any barn door. Alright, I've got one last project I need to work on. One of the aluminum supports on the outside of the fenders on the other side, forgot about it. It also broke. But it's not one of the angled brackets. It's that goofy, cheap aluminum that they can bend however they want it. So now I'm going to get that fixed and hopefully be done pretty quick. Alright, so the last little project, something simple. Always check these little brackets, because they're just held in with little self-tappers and they tend to come loose. I've had 3 of them come loose now. So basically what I'm going to do I've got, I can't remember the size, but just grab any screw and nut and bolt it on there, bolt it on good and tight. You can put a lock washer on it if you need to, but little cheap security to keep this thing from flopping. Because going down the road, the whole side of this camper coming back from Wichita Falls was just a flopping everywhere. And it's just because these supports, screws fall out, things break. It's all part of RVing, right? Well, I hope this video helps you out if you've got any loose fender supports, or you need door locks in your bathroom, your bedroom, or just any other general maintenance or anything like that. If you have any ideas that would work better, please put in the comments below. I'm always up for suggestions. If this video has helped you out, please like and subscribe. And God bless everybody, and stay safe, and we'll see you out there.